I'm Jaden with Golden Properties, here to share a few quick tips. If you're thinking about buying your first investment property in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, this video is for you. Whether you're a brand new investor or adding to an existing portfolio, getting started the right way is key to maximizing your returns and avoiding costly mistakes. In this video, I'll walk you through our top tips for buying investment property here in Coeur d'Alene, a city that offers strong returns, beautiful surroundings, and a booming rental market. So let's jump in. Before you buy anything, you've got to understand the market. Coeur d'Alene has a strong local economy thanks to its tourism industry, growing job market, and steady population growth. There's demand for both long-term rentals and short-term vacation properties, especially with the area's world-class resorts and outdoor lifestyle. Despite the growth, home prices here are still more affordable than many metro areas, and Idaho offers lower property taxes and a lower cost of living, which makes this a great place to invest without overextending yourself financially. Next tip, don't overextend yourself. It might be tempting to stretch your budget for the perfect property, but overspending on your first investment can put you in a tough spot. You've got to account for things like your down payment, closing costs, taxes, insurance, and reserves for repairs or vacancies. Figure out your budget early. That way you can focus your search on properties that will actually cash flow. The goal is steady income and long-term appreciation, not stress and sleepless nights. In Coeur d'Alene, areas with low crime, good schools, walkability, and proximity to parks or retail tend to attract great tenants and command higher rents. Do some digging, check local listings, see what amenities are nearby, and look into planned developments in that area. A neighborhood with ongoing growth and infrastructure projects usually means more demand, and that's great news for landlords. Don't forget to crunch the numbers before you make an offer. Look at rental comps in the area, estimate your monthly expenses, and make sure you understand your potential cash flow, ROI, and cap rate. It's easy to fall in love with a property, but this is a business decision. If the math doesn't make sense, walk away. There's always another opportunity. Let's be honest, managing a rental is no small task. Between tenant issues, maintenance, rent collection, and legal compliance, self-managing can become a full-time job, especially if you're new or out of state. So make sure you have the time or resources to manage your rental investment properly. So, quick recap. Know the local market, stick to your budget, invest in great neighborhoods, do your homework on returns. If you want to save time and headaches, partner with a property manager. Coeur d'Alene is an incredible place to invest, but like any market, it takes the right strategy. If you have questions, please feel free to reach out to our team with no obligations. We're here to help you make the best decisions for your investment portfolio. We'll be back soon with more great tips. Have a good one.